Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Your favorite YouTube channel RAjdeepDhar is back with another interesting science video which is based on the second part of your science chapter, Separation of Substances. So if you didn't see the first part of it, then you can easily watch it from the suggestion panel which has arrived at the top right corner of your mobile screen. So students, if you'll watch this video full, then you will be able to understand all the major points of the remaining part of the chapter. So students, I hope this video will get minimum 50 likes from you all, and if you could do so, then you can easily download extra and exercise question answer of this chapter from my description box. So show your love and reflection by liking this video, and once it will complete the task, I will surely enable the link so that you can easily use that link to download the question answer regarding of this chapter. So let's start the video without wasting your time. Sometimes it may not be possible to separate components of a mixture by winnowing and handpicking. For example, there may be lighter impurities like dust or soil particles in rice or pulses. How are such impurities separated from rice or pulses before cooking? Rice or pulses are usually washed before cooking. When you add water to these, the impurities like dust and soil particles get separated. These impurities go into water, which becomes a little muddy. Now what will sink to the bottom of the vessel? Rice or dust? Why? Have you seen that the vessel is still to pour out the dirty water? According to the question, we can say that when the heavier component in a mixture settles after water is added to it, the process is called sedimentation. And when the water along with the dust is removed, the process is called decantation. That means in a mixture of sand and water, the heavier sand particles settle down at the bottom and the water can be separated by decantation. Now let us know about filtration. The process of removing insoluble solids from a liquid by using a filter paper is known as filtration. Filtration is used for separating insoluble substances from a liquid. Students, do you know what is called a filter paper? Basically, a filter paper is one such filter that has very fine pores in it. A filter paper folded in the form of a cone is fixed onto a funnel. The mixture is then poured on the filter paper. Solid particles in the mixture do not pass through it and remains on the filter paper. So let us know about evaporation. The process of conversion of water into its vapor is called evaporation. The process of evaporation takes place continuously wherever water is present. Now let us talk about condensation. Condensation is the process where water vapor becomes liquid. Condensation happens one of two ways. Either the air is cooled to its dew point, or it becomes so saturated with water vapor that it cannot hold any more water. Let us now do another workout. Take a beaker and dissolve some amount of salt in it. Go on adding salt to the solution as long as the salt is dissolved in water. The solution is an unsaturated solution, but a stage will soon come when you will not be able to dissolve more salt in the solution. At this stage, the solution becomes saturated. Thus, a solution is said to be saturated if it cannot dissolve any more quantity of the given substance in it.